Navis Indoor Viewer is a web-based application that combines realistic 3D visualization of buildings with an intuitive interface that lets even non-expert users engage with the data captured by laser scanners. Building scan data uploaded to Navis Indoor Viewer is displayed as fully immersive 360-degree images, point clouds, and maps. While the 360 degrees and point cloud views let users move through scan spaces in 3D, the map view provides a 2D overview of the scan structure and its surroundings. With Navis Indoor Viewer, it is easy for laser scanning professionals to deliver highly detailed, interactive digital floor plans as part of every building scan project. Navis Indoor Viewer can automatically generate highly detailed floor plans or simple building outlines if the uploaded point clouds have been captured by the Navis M6 Indoor Mobile Mapping System. Advanced customization features enable users to upload floor plans that have been created using photo editing or CAD software and display these in the map view. For more on how Navis Indoor Viewer can transform your building scan projects and for information on how to get a free trial, visit www.navis.com/indoorviewer.